Hello and welcome to the second step of how to access the API ASANA from Google Script. So in this step we're going to create an app within the ASANA which will allow us to get access to the API. What one does is to click on your profile photo and then go to My Profile Settings and continue to the App tab and press Manage Developer Apps. And I currently have two apps, but I want to create a new one to show you how this is done. And I click on Add New Application, and I need a name for the app. It doesn't really matter, I can do whatever I want. I'm just gonna name it after the client of the dashboard, which is Be Digital in this case. Then I need to add an app URL. Once again, it's not really necessary for our purpose, so I'm just gonna call it doesnotmatter.com. More importantly, I need to insert something called a redirect URL. I'm not going to go into detail what exactly this does, but for now I will just show you what you're supposed to put in here. You have to go back to the Google Script file, which I showed in step 1. And then you have to press the API New User tab over here, and you can also see that you already typed it here. Then you'll see there's something called return URI in line 12. And before we can copy this one into our app creation in ASANA, we need to find out what is the project key of this spreadsheet. And one can find this by going to File and Project Properties. And one can simply copy the project key from this one. Save or cancel, doesn't matter. And then paste it into the URL. Once this is done, I can simply mark my link and copy it. And I will go back to my app creation and paste it into the field with redirect URL. I will have to agree with the accept API terms and conditions. I'm not going to read it this time. I just press create. So now I've created an app called Be Digital, and here I get two very important features, which is the client ID and the client secret, which I am going to use from my Google Script in order to access data from my ASANA task. Yes, and I will show you in a minute where I'm supposed to put these in. So go to step 3 and you will see what you're supposed to do with this.